So this is day one of my journey into the modern AI development. Uh, let's open the PyCharm, and I am here going to create a new project. So click on the new project. We'll just change the name of our new project to AI Career Mentor. We'll keep the interpreter type as a project env only, and then we'll click on the create. Okay, so one of the advantage of using PyCharm is it's handle lot of setup automatically, which makes development much smoother, and also it automatically creates the virtual environment for the project. So instead of manually setting one up, the environment is already ready to use. So let's check if our environment is set up. Let's open the terminal. Okay, here you can see with the before our path there is a parenthesis which shows .venv, means our environment is set. Next we need to install three core packages which are needed for our project, so let's install them. Let's hit enter. Okay, while it's installing, let me tell you about this command what we have just write. Okay, pip install FastAPI. FastAPI is our backend framework. Uvicorn is basically a server which helps to run this FastAPI backend framework. And Google Generative AI, it is a library that allows us to communicate with the Gemini. So it's installing. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, I think it's already installed. Let's it get the path for us. Then we have to type our next command. Next command we is going to use is a freeze. So basically what we are going to do is we going to create one text file. We'll name it as a suppose requirement.txt. So basically whatever versions, whatever softwares, whatever packages we are using, we can store it in the requirement.txt. So basically what is the use of this requirement file or a freeze command? So if I move this project to another laptop, or if someone else want to run it, the same environment can be recreated easily. So that's the main advantage of our requirement.txt file. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so we can see here path is here. Let's type. Okay, wait. So before pressing an enter, here you can see our .venv folder is there. Here currently there is no requirement.txt file. As soon as we hit enter, now you can see here we can see our requirement.txt file. So basically it stores all the packages which are required, yeah, for all the current version which we are currently using. If we double click on this requirement.txt, you can see all the versions which are required. For example, we just installed FastAPI, so its version number is there. Also Google Generative AI, its version number is there, and all the little packages inside the packages. So that's it for our day one. Here we didn't use any advanced AI, no fancy front end yet, just learning the foundation properly. because every serious AI project start exactly like this. And since I'm learning publicly, if you have a suggestions, better approaches, or think I should improve, let me know in the comments. So let's see where this journey goes.